there, beautiful people. Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the products that truly make a difference in your self-care routine. If you've ever struggled with getting that genuinely deep clean, especially in those tricky-to-reach spots, you know how frustrating it can be. Today, we're taking a close look at the Oral-B Smart 1500 Electric Power Rechargeable Toothbrush in sleek black, a tool that promises healthier gums and a cleaner smile. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review that helps you make informed choices for your beauty and wellness routine. So, let's break it down. The Oral-B Smart 1500 is designed to remove up to 100% more plaque than a manual toothbrush, thanks to its deep cleaning 3-in-1 technology. That means it's tackling your teeth on multiple fronts, oscillating, rotating, and pulsating to reach where regular brushes just can't. It's built with gum protection in mind, featuring a sensitive cleaning mode and a 360-degree visible pressure control that lights up when you're brushing too hard. Perfect for those of us who want to avoid over-scrubbing and damaging our gums. It also offers 4 cleaning modes and an integrated quadrant timer that signals every 30 seconds to move to a new section of your mouth, helping you maintain consistent care. And if you want to personalize your experience, Oral-B offers a variety of brush heads to suit individual needs, whether it's whitening, gentle cleaning, or a deep clean. When I put this toothbrush to the test, it felt surprisingly comfortable and easy to integrate into my morning and evening routine. The handle is ergonomic, and the brush head glides smoothly across teeth and along the gum line. I noticed an immediate difference in how clean my teeth felt compared to my previous manual brush, especially in the back molars and along the gum line. The pressure sensor is a subtle but very helpful feature. It gives you peace of mind that you're not damaging sensitive areas. One thing to note, the vibrations can take a little getting used to if you're coming from a manual brush, but once you do, it's actually quite soothing. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the upside, the Oral-B Smart 1500 offers exceptional plaque removal, a comfortable grip, and excellent gum protection features. The quadrant timer is a great tool for ensuring a thorough clean. The brush heads are easy to swap and provide versatility for different oral care needs. On the downside, it's a bit noisier than some other electric brushes, and while the battery lasts a solid amount of time, it's not quite as long-lasting as higher-end models. In terms of value, I think the Smart 1500 hits a sweet spot. It's priced competitively for an electric toothbrush with multiple cleaning modes and pressure-sensing technology. If you compare it to other options in the market, like premium Oral-B models or similar Philips Sonicare brushes, you're getting professional-level features without the premium price tag. The build quality feels sturdy, the brush heads are durable, and the rechargeable battery performs reliably over weeks of consistent use. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Oral-B also has a reputation for responsive customer support. So if you ever have questions about brush heads or device performance, they're generally quick to assist. I didn't experience any issues myself, but it's good to know that help is accessible if needed. If you're looking for alternatives, there are more budget-friendly electric toothbrushes on the market, but they often lack the pressure sensor and multi-mode functionality. For anyone serious about oral care, especially if you're targeting plaque removal and gum health, the Smart 1500 offers features that make it worth the investment. So what's the final verdict? The Oral-B Smart 1500 is a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade from a manual toothbrush. It provides a noticeably cleaner feel, thoughtful gum protection, and convenient features that help you maintain a thorough oral care routine. While it may be slightly noisy, the benefits far outweigh this minor drawback. I'd recommend it for adults of all ages who want to elevate their daily dental care without splurging on top-tier models. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, the link to grab your own Oral-B Smart 1500 is in the comments or description box. If you've already tried it, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.